QD English Learn with us.
You will hear two versions of one story. You'll have to compare them and spot the differences. Step 1. Listen to Liam's story.
Hi, my name's Liam, and I'm a web designer. I work from home because I need my peace and quiet to be efficient. I'm usually really good at making websites, but for the last 2 weeks, I haven't made any progress. It's all because 2 weeks ago, I had an unexpected visit from my Aunt Eliza. She turned up at my door when I had just started working on an important project. She said she'd been missing me, so she decided to come and stay for a couple of days. I wish I'd had the guts to say no, but I'm a polite person. I offered her a room and even ordered a pizza to make her feel welcome. She seemed to be pleased and decided to share the latest news. She talked for hours, so I had to pretend to be listening. I had to go to bed early because I was totally exhausted. The next days were just the same. She's been staying with me for 2 weeks now. She keeps talking and gossiping all days long, so I can't concentrate on my work. My project is due next Monday, but I haven't done a thing. Last week, my friends wanted to come over for a party, but I had to say no. No party would be fun when my elderly aunt is in the house. Today I'm going to ask my aunt when she is planning to leave. I hope it won't hurt her and she'll get the message. Don't take me wrong, I love my aunt, but I really need some space.
Sorry, Andy, but I need some space.
Step 2. Listen to Eliza's story.
Hello, my dear ones, I'm Elizabeth. I'm 74 years old, so I'm retired. Nevertheless, I'm an active person who engages herself in social interactions. I have a lot of friends who love sharing their stories and their experiences with me. I keep in touch with all of my nephews and my grandchildren, and I don't forget to pay them a visit now and then. My nephews are all friendly and welcoming people. I especially love the youngest one, Liam, who I'm staying with these days. Liam is a kind person, but I think he's in trouble. He lives alone, in a small flat, and he doesn't have a job. He spends his days playing on his computer, although he's 25 years old. He never cooks or eats healthy food. He only orders a pizza when he's hungry. Liam is rather shy, so he doesn't have many friends. Anyway, he enjoys listening to my stories about my friends and their grandchildren. Initially, I wanted to stay with Liam just for a couple of days. But now I see that he needs some help, so I won't probably leave until Christmas time. I'm going to tell him about my plans tonight. What a lovely surprise. Don't take me wrong, I have lots of things to do, but I can't leave my nephew when he's in trouble.
Christmas, what a lovely surprise.
Step 3. Answer the question.
How do the stories differ?
Write your answers in the comments.